Oftentimes, you may encounter folders or files on your computer that just won't delete. When you try, you might get an error saying, "We couldn't find this item." I will show you a simple way to get rid of those stubborn files. First, open the command prompt by typing CMD in your search bar. Then enter this command rd/s double quotation 2 backslash question mark and 1 backslash. Next, navigate to the folder you want to delete. Copy the full path and paste it after the command. Hit enter and then type Y to confirm. Now check back and you will see that the folder has been successfully deleted. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching.